Hey, this one is Rukwele. Chineke. Oh, Akima. Hey, I wish I can get that one. Okay, just not that hey, Chineke. Nice, so much art of that. You need to pass I don't think of that. Hey, take a side, get that side.
What's up? Nah, that baby is waiting for that. Oh, we look say when you find a sign, when you know how much for your cutter. Hey, baby. When you get a sign. I saw I'm a look. I said yesterday. I come here. I said maybe this is happen for you now. Is that the way that they come here? Boy, that be there. What chop money say? They happen in America. See, Maga don't pay. Maga don't pay. Pay, hello. I don't pay. Hello, I carry power. Me na from Ami. Agbara. Person they die for me. Wake up. Is that? Ami carry power for Mark. Oh my God. You know your person die fast day to wake up. God day. Make you go there anyhow they be. Miracle. God day. Yes. What? Miracle they happen. God. See what I tell you. See wait. See what check on me. Wake up. Die wake up. Miracle day. Now Jesus Christ. God day. I go do pani. God day. Now Jesus Christ. Bebe. Let me contact. Hey, baby, what's up? I'm in a day, man. This is America. Okay. Cool. Cool. I see. Cool. Yeah, man. I just come back. Hey, I say it's cool. Hey, go. Thank you. Long time. No see you. How are you? I don't tell. I don't tell. Hey. Baby. What kind of drink do you have? We have like, you know, anything you want now. Just come close. Customer. You have one. Hero, life, and anything you want. Anything you want, you go bring them here now. So okay. Just, what can you drink? Kilo drink now. What did you drink? What did you think so? Oh baby, you know this is my brother. I just came back, and this is my brother. Don't know what can offer. So what can you? Do you have legend? You have life? You just bring drink, man. Where are the mountain? Go and bring. Where are the mountain? Legend, You want fire me? You want fire me? No, give me this one. Those are black. Those are the black charcoal. Race it, man. Yeah, man. No, give me cup. Give me cup now. Now, this cup. My money. Give me cup. My money be like Olympic Hotel. Hey. Nasona. It's Africa Aluminium Company. You know they say, baby. Namina. See me, continue to catch me. Samo. Americana. You know, sir. You know, see time. Invest na foreign investment. This how we do. When we in the United America. Do you know a democratic milk company? Yes. Do you know overall watching them like Asian and Love? Yes. Oh, man. Baby. Yeah, this baby gonna kill me today. I don't die, you. Wait now. Wait. Go. Wait. So you beautiful. Contact. Now, place what they think you. Huh? Sure, man. This is how we do in Asia country. We use spoon, fork. We use the drink. See, baby. See, wait. You see, when they take place, they drink beer. Carry fork. They drink it. Now fork and a fake. I don't know. Come. What's the beer? Now so they drink it. How, baby? What? Baby? I say make you bring spoon. Why you go bring fork? I go use fork when they drink life. Bring spoon, baby. This is not how we do. Okay? You bring spoon, okay? Yeah, baby. So, baby. Oh, man. If you know me. Hey. So, you know somebody called Ohakem Ofo. Ohakem is eating money is a big boy. If you know me, go to brain boss.
Really?
Do you know about Sakribo?
Yeah.
Philip Ajok.
Hey!
See, man,
Hey!
wait, man, tell you. How could they eat money? Wait, man, tell you. Anytime you go kill you. Wait, now, wait. Drink like this. Drink this one. Drink like this. No. Drink if you drink it, you go high. You go feed 2 feet, 2 of them. You go flat 2 of them. Baby, go and bring more drink. Bring 1 carton. Oh, no, you go from America. Do you have Orishi?
Yes, customer.
Which one go Orishi? Bring Orishi. Orishi. Oh yeah, no more this one. Baby, bring. If you know Akunofome for Womaka. Akunofome. Sure. No, one of whom I there. Autonomous community. Akunofome. Big man. He dey help people.
Hey.
What talk about Akunofome? No, all twenty. This is how we used to drink in China.
Hey.
When I come back from Malaysia. Satu Malaysia. One Malaysia. Bebe.
See my tell you.
Asian landlord.
See my tell you.
Overall, watching them, Asian landlord. Now my brother, my senior brother.
See my tell you. See my tell you. On my slipper, one of our no autonomous community. I say what? Now be my papa.
Baby, don't worry.
Oh,
me like.
I do come here. What of who autonomous community. Amazon. Now him they break up. Now they break up for Amazon. Can't come out for center for
Customer.
now the highest one wey pay highest money. Now the highest one wey pay highest money.
Maka go dey pay.
As the point.
For Maka pass.
Wey get money.
Maka go dey pay.
What the make sense?
Bebe.
The difference.
Bebe, we are enjoying.
Big man wey no get money na dey wear agbada. Even the one wey get money sef no dey wear agbada. And the one wey get money dey wear agbada.
So I can call you, never talk. Shut up your mouth.
Talk with you.
Calm down, man. This is what we do, man. You do know how much I'm spending here. Hey, bring him a lighter.
Do wetin? You want do?
Lighter. You don't have to bother. I am a Ejima African Aluminium Company. If you want to buy roofing aluminium, look for Ejima African Aluminium Company. Hey, baby, man. This is what we're doing when in America, man. This is how we used to live life, man.
You're that for. What? See, Greenland.
Life is life.
Greenland.
Life goes on.
My brother,
baby.
See,
life goes on.
When I have to. Greenland. Where is cigar? Give me cigar. You want back for me? You go kill yourself, guys. This is not life. You go kill yourself. You say enjoy.
I carry $25,000.
Okay.
Use it and off lights for Omenu Quarter. I carry $25,000 off lights. Clap hand for me, baby.
Hey, customer.
I am Chico
Hey,
see, no, tell you. See, you like the hotel, and my brother didn't get up. You like the hotel, my brother get up. See, he pass everything. He dey do everything where he wants. See, ma tell you, for menu cook, no my brother, he don't say number one. See, ma tell you, no worry. Correct. How much is the money? Okay, wait, no worry.
Baby.
Wait, no worry.
This is how we used to take it when we were in Malaysia.
Come, what this one? We go see. No, you see later. Okay, bye. Go see,
Customer.
Baby.
Customer.
How much was my bill?
Nah, 2,500.
Move on, man. Come on.
Okay. I know you will.
When I don't chop goat meat.
No.
Dog meat, I don't chop.
No. Customer buy for us now.
Try to the Kotala side, no.
Yes, sir.
They come, I go peace.
Peace for here.
Look, I go peace now.
Peace.
This year now. Never pay us.
Customer stay here. Let me bring bucket so I can pee. Customer wait.
This year, never pay us.
Hey. I never come up now.
I know.
Customer see bucket pee. Customer you pee.
Don't you say peace? Customer they go in right?
I know.
Wait, they come.
Customer wait.
Pay us first.
Pay us wait.
Come.
Wait. Customer wait now. Customer wait.
Jesus Christ.
Hey.
Condom. Jesus.
Oh, customer, you must pay us. You must pay us.
Customer, see, pipeline. Customer, pay us. Give us our money.
My money there for bank now. Wait, I go do transfer.
Okay, wait. You must pay us. You must.
Pay.
You must. Give us our money.
Money. Money.
You must pay us.
Wait, now I go pay.
Give us our money. Give us our money.
Customer, you must pay.
Pay.
Give us our money.
You must pay. You must pay us.
I go pay. Wait.
You come here. Drink.
I go pay, baby.
No.
How can I not do me like this?
No.
You for every time I am. I be overall brother.
No.
Baby.
No, baby me.
I go pay. Wait.
I know you go pay. Give us money now. You go pay.
I never. My brother they come.
You
go bring money. Baby, pity for me. Pity now. How can I pity me?
No.
Baby. Baby, pity for me. Hey. How can I pity for me now? I don't need to $5,000 here. Baby, make a pity now. Hey, pity for me.
No.
Baby.
Yes.
How can I pity for me?
Hey, no.
Wait. I go give you my ATM card.
Alright, give me.
Wait, see ya.
Wait.